Hi guys, welcome to another video. Finally, today I'm going to be showing you the unboxing of something that I've been thinking about getting for ages. I've actually got it once and I had to, let's say, send it back because financially I wasn't able to afford it. But now, finally, I am able to unbox it and I have it in my possession and I'm so excited to show you what's inside the box. And yes guys, if you haven't seen the title already, I'm going to be unboxing the Mavic DJI, let's get the box. You're gonna be unboxing the Mavic DJI Air 2. And honestly, the box is actually kind of heavy. If anyone wants to kind of know, actually I was collecting it downstairs. The delivery driver gave it to me. And I was gonna hold it with one hand and I nearly dropped it. So glad that somehow I bought my other hand and I hold it because it's actually kind of heavy. I've actually gotten the combo version, as you can see here on the front. The box, it comes within, let's say, a plastic, depends on what country you're from. But here in the UK, it came into a plastic kind of bag. And now, also the box, it's kind of sealed with a wrap. Clean feel, I think it's called. I don't know what it's called. It's actually broken here on the side. I don't like boxes to be damaged. But anyways, first of all, before unboxing this, I'm gonna read what it comes with. Travel bag, aircraft, which is basically, I'm guessing, the drone. Then we have the controller. We have an RC cable ×3. Then we have a flight battery ×3. Power adapter, one of them. AC power cable. Propels, which is ×6. Charging hub, which basically you're gonna be able to charge the 3 batteries at the same time. Then you have a battery to power bank adapter, that's kind of cool because you can actually use the batteries as a power bank in case you run out of, I don't know, whatever. For example, let's say you're recording with the Mavic Air, but your phone is literally on low capabilities on batteries, let's say. So then you can use one of the batteries. Yes, you're going to have less time to basically fly the drone, but then you're going to be able to control it with your phone. Whereas also, whenever you have a drone, I guess you also need your phone, smartphone, to be able to control this. And if you don't have a battery on your phone is not charged, then it's kind of like complicated to be able to use the drone. Like, I'm not sure if you can use it without the phone anyways. Then we have also ND filters set, which I'm guessing there's a set of 3, and then USB cable, and then control stick ×2, and then manuals. So that's basically all it comes into the box. Now let's open it. And I'm not sure how to do this. Probably I should just set up the camera somewhere else or maybe show you here. We will see. Okay guys, as you can see here, I've set up the, let's say, the camera. My lens is not a wide angle, so we're gonna try to kind of like do it as best as we can. Now, I'm gonna flip it around to kind of like use my scalpel and be able to cut it without damaging the box. Oh, honestly, I'm really delicate with boxes and stuff like that. I just love keeping the boxes. I'm not sure about you guys, but me personally, I just love that. Okay, we got this off now. Let's put it on the side. Trash this. Moment of the truth. Come on. Come on. Done. Now, officially, we can open this. And boom. Okay, oh wow, it comes packaged. Okay, interesting. And also here it's kind of black for anyone that's interested. Oh, it's actually padded inside. It's padded, just only the top part of it is padded. Oh, interesting. I love these little details that people put into packaging. Okay, so here we have this, which is, let's say, the bag with the drone, I'm guessing, inside. You're gonna put the drone here on the side. You can still see it there, but it comes with another thing, which I'm not sure what's inside. I'm guessing the manuals. Okay, propellers. I'm not sure how to say that word. I need to practice it. Propellers. There we go, propellers. There we go, that's it. Okay, it comes with that. Then here we have quick start guide, Mavic Air. Do we have anything else in the box? Maybe on the other side. No, I don't think so. I think it's just like a dead end at the bottom. Let's try it. Yeah, there's nothing. Doesn't feel like, it's just, I feel it's just only for the design. It feels like there's something else, but there's nothing else in there. Okay, so we have the propellers here, which I think we have 6 in total, maybe extra. I have no idea. I'm gonna leave it here on the side. Now, the bad boy here. There's this thing here, which I'm not gonna take it off yet, just in case I have to send it back, just for any reason. Okay, let's open it. I really love the quality of the bag. It's like actually really good, not gonna lie. Oh, the bad boy's here. I'm seeing the bad boy. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Like, it's not really tiny, but as you can see, oh my god. And it has like a kind of mirror here. I'm not sure what this is, maybe a sensor. I'm really noob to this. But honestly, what they said about that, you can actually fit in your pocket. I think you can actually fit it in your pocket. Can you take off the battery? I have no idea how this, oh. Ooh, interesting. And then you take it like that. And boom, you have a drone. Oh my god. Okay, let's pack it back this way. Oops. Okay, I'm really gentle with new things, but after like a year or something like that, I'm not as gentle because it's like, oh well. This is like some kind of like foam. I'm guessing it's just to protect into the bag basically, as you can see here. So I think you take this off. I'm not sure how it works, or maybe you just leave it on. No idea. I'm not gonna touch it until I read the instructions because it's my first time buying a drone like this. Okay, let's move that out of the way. Now, the drone was here on this side. We have here, let's see. We have here the controller. Ooh, nice. Let's check this out. Okay. Oops. By the way, guys, I'm not sure how this audio sounds like. It's my first time trying the Tascam DR10L, which is basically a microphone, and hopefully sounds well. Okay, I'm guessing you take this out here and you place your phone here, which is not bad. And over here we should have, I'm not sure if it's here. Oh yeah, here, the joysticks. And then you just kind of like take them out and then just screw them on. Like that. Oh. Yep, and then you kind of like can control it. Just like a PlayStation or Xbox controller, which is really nice. Oh, nope. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna like this if I'm gonna be traveling and stuff like that. I really need to be careful with the joysticks, because if I lose them, I'm not gonna be able to control. I mean, I can do this, but it's kind of weird to do it. But yeah, this is the controller. As you can see here, I think it has like maybe a radiator to kind of like ventilate the air. I mean, not the air, what's it called? Maybe it gets hot. Or I don't know, maybe there's some sound on this. I have no idea how this works. We have a USB-C connection here. Then we have this for landing, I guess. Turn it on. Oh, I turned it on. Not good. Okay. Oh yeah, probably you have to charge also the controller. I'm not sure if I like that. I much rather like some batteries that you can put on rather than having to charge the controller, because if you have to charge it, for how long can you fly it? That's the question. But anyways, here you have like a wheel thingy. You can record, I guess, and stuff like that. And I'm not sure what is this. I'm guessing just to hold it, I guess. I have no idea. Sorry, I'm not sure. I think I went out of frame. Sorry about that, guys. I'm really excited about this. Okay. Then we have this, which I'm guessing. Let's see, is there anything else? Oh, we have also this here. I'm not sure what that is. I'm gonna check in a minute. So this, I'm guessing, are the batteries. It says accessories. So I'm guessing all the accessories are in here. Okay. We have one battery here. Boom. Then we have the wall, the AC power cable. We'll leave down the side. The adapter, basically to, oh, I think this is for the battery. Yes. I have no idea. Okay. And then we have the second battery in there. This one. So we have, let me just open the batteries so I can show you how they look like. I'm literally making a big mess. Okay, so this is the battery. It's really tiny actually. On the website, for some reason, I thought they were bigger, but they're not as big, to be honest. That's one, and when we're gonna take that one off too. I really like the material that is really folded in. Okay, another one, so we have two of them. Let's put this on here on the side. Also, this is a really nice padded area, kinda. Okay, and then here, now I think I know what it is. It's basically to charge the battery. So you put them like that, I'm guessing. Yeah, you fit them like this. I'm not, yeah, I think you fit them like that onto the pad board, whatever, and then that's it. Okay, do we have anything else in here? We should have the ND filters, which I'm not sure where they are. Maybe they're in that bag, which I showed you earlier. Okay, let's put this out the way. Okay, let's check here. There's nothing in here. I can certainly, oh, there they are. There's another small kind of pocket in here, as you can see. We have a USB-C to USB charger or whatever. I think this is a adapter possibly. And here, what do we have? We have a tiny thing. Oh, the joysticks. One cable, another cable. Do we have anything else here? I think that's it. We have so many like places to put things in here. Oh my god, that's really nice. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the adapter to basically the battery to make it like a power bank. Yes, there we go. So I'm guessing you take this battery and what you do, you stick it in here, just like that, I'm guessing. Try not to break it. Boom. And then you can just use it as a power bank. And then easy peasy. The question is, how long do they last, these batteries, as a power bank? Anyways, let's just leave that here on the side. Then we have these connectors, which I'm not sure what they are for. Oh, for the phone possibly. Okay, makes sense. That there. Then we have this cable, 3 cables comes with it. Then we have this thing here. Let's check. No, careful. Okay. And, oh, nice. They're really tiny, not gonna lie. They look really big online and stuff like that, but they're really tiny. I'm gonna take one. Oh my god, that's tiny. And actually, they're really expensive on the website. Like, for these tiny things, we pay so much money. Oh my god. Okay, we have that there. And then we have finally the replacement joysticks. Let me show you. You just take one out. So yeah, you just have those here. And then, yeah, pretty much. What else? I think that's it. There's pretty much nothing else in the bag. There's lots of pockets where you can put things and store them. And it's really nice. It's really nice quality. And I'm probably gonna use it whenever I'm gonna fly my drone to take it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I've tried my best to do this. Like, I'm really bad with these angles basically. If you don't have, let's say, a really wide angle lens, it's really hard to show you stuff on camera by yourself. I've asked my brother to help me, but he's a bit busy. So yeah, but anyways, honestly, I'm so happy for having this new, oh, let's see, how do you, oh, okay, fair enough. Something that I've learned now, okay. First of all, you need to open the top ones and then you do the bottom ones and then it's open. Anyways, it actually looks tiny. Like, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's actually, I think, a good thing because you can actually fit it wherever you want. And honestly, I am so happy with the purchase. I just need now to put it to the test and see how it goes. But honestly, oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh, I think this is the way you take it off. I'll figure out later. But anyways, guys, if you like this video and if you want to see any more, let's say, unboxings or tech reviews or, I don't know, tutorials on how to use Photoshop, create your own TikToks, Reels, edit your pictures, and so many other things, you can literally subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, because then YouTube algorithm is gonna be on my side and they're gonna recommend my videos. And it's actually helping me a lot. I need to drink some water, honestly. I'm so literally, my mouth is so dry right now. But anyways, I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you and goodbye.